Welcome back to NFGs, TVs.
Alright, what we about to do is right now, about to eat these spicy ass white garlic, 20 each. We're gonna attempt it. It's probably not gonna happen because this shit's really spicy.
Begin.
Ah, spicy dog.
Okay, yeah. Oh, that's hot. Oh my god. Oh fuck.
Dude, how are we gonna do this?
Oh my god.
The swallowing is hard, huh? Oh, my stomach. Ah,
no. Oh. Oh, dude. Oh, my stomach hurts.
It's like burning my stomach.
Oh. Dude, my stomach actually hurts from this so bad.
Dude, we don't recommend eating this shit at all. This is really... It's hot as fuck in here.
I know. Dude, that hurts, man. Oh.
You really...
What is that, dude?
It's fucking garlic.
Oh, that hurts right here. Why? This makes me feel like trash. This is like honestly painful. This sucks.
Dude, my stomach really fucking hurts.
Oh my god, for reals, dude. Oh my gosh.
Alright, well, we really couldn't eat it. It's gonna do. We're gonna.
So time to take it to another level.
We're gonna drink it.
That looks weird.
It's all white.
That looks nasty.
Alright, fucking pour it.
Pray for us.
Rock, paper, scissors, you go first.
Should I pick first or what?
You go first. I won.
Alright. I am ready. Oh, dude.
Does it burn?
No, but it's just nasty. It's disgusting. This garlic is nasty. Like, there's nothing good about it.
It's onions. You're fucking wrong.
Yeah, it is. Honestly, it is. That's why, like, at first I did that. One big gulp. That's what I did.
Fuck, dude. Smack.
Go!
Smack me. Smack me again.
Go! Get there! Woo!
I don't.
It's so nasty. Dude, you need water. Oh, that's nasty. Drink water. You drink it like that. Oh my god, he's gone. Oh, the bathroom is being used. Just open the window. Oh my god.
Are you really?
Oh, I just spilled all. Dude, it's burning my chin. Oh my god. Dude, that's burning my chin. That's nasty. Alright, it's over. That is disgusting.
This was fucking. This is a shit show. Thank you for coming. Watching. Just watching. This was so bad. Click the like button, subscribe, and comment if you guys want to see us do anything. Yeah, this was NFG. Peace.
We'll see you next time.